On this channel, we have already discussed the importance of confidence and what body language tricks you can use therefore. But what if you could go an extra mile and not just look, but also sound confident? What if you could charm anyone on your first date? Or motivate and inspire an entire stadium? Or make a point straight and clear in a business meeting? Hello everyone, my name is Lumi, and before we start, I want to thank every single person that watched my previous video. If you still didn't, why? But you can still click here, or the link will be in the description box below. The majority of us uses our voice just to speak up some words that will spread out a message. And depending on the wording, we will be perceived as confident, shy, enthusiastic, or boring. But is this whole thing with our voice as easy as it seems? Let's take a moment and imagine that you are the CEO or the HR manager of a company and you're looking for a new employee. I am the person that wants to get the job, so I want you to think that I'm confident. Consequently, when I come to the interview, to your office, I put my hands on the sides, I pull up my chest a little bit forward, have my head straight, and look you straight in the eyes. Also, I prepared a flawless text. So what you hear is, "Hello, my name is Lumi and I'm looking forward to work at this company because I have a lot of experience in the social media management and in marketing agency. I'm also very excited about the opportunities given by your company, and I think that I can give a lot of value to you as a company, but also for you as a brand. Would you hire me?" What I showed you right now was a monotone melody, meaning that I was speaking on the same level or more or less in the same tone. So regardless my body language tricks and my well-prepared text, did you get the impression that I was interested? Or maybe that I'm enthusiastic? That I'm honest? Or did you think that I was bored? Or did you get bored? On the other pole, there is a different mistake called the poem melody. And unfortunately, I hear it many times at presentations. And this is this melody that we learn in kindergarten because we are taught that this is very entertaining to speak like this. And while this exaggerated fairy tale poem melody might work with kids, speaking like this in an interview, at a business conference, or during a date might be a little bit of a fail. The two melody types that I want you to remember is the ascending melody and the descending melody. And the difference to the poem melody is that you use them to emphasize specific moments and to show a different emotion. For example, we use ascending melody when we want to sound excited or inviting or charismatic. And we use descending melody when we want to sound important or disappointed or sad. Both of them are good and actually useful, especially when used wisely. For example, when you want to create a story with your voice and melody only. Let's say your whole story has a very ascending melody and at some point it has a descending melody. This is where the drama in the story comes. And then again, it's an ascending melody because the drama is over and we have a happy end. Another interesting characteristic of your voice is the pitch. And a lot of people assume that a low pitch or low voice is a sign that you're strong, confident, and manly. While a high pitch is very friendly and nice and welcoming. In the reality, an artificial, very low pitch is a sign of arrogance or of not being interested. Whether artificially making a very high pitch means that you are very nervous or anxious. On the other side, we all have a very different natural pitch of our voice. And to find it out, you have to intentionally speak not from your throat and nose, but from your chest. And to do so, you have to speak while you exhale. So you inhale and speak as you exhale. This way, your natural pitch will be regulated, you will sound normal, and as a little bonus, you will sound a little bit louder. Controlling the volume of your voice is the easiest way to captivate the attention and bring a feeling to the conversation. On the high level of the spectrum, you can show that you are very enthusiastic, energetic, and very entertaining. While on the lower level of the spectrum, you can show compassion, care, and support. And last but not least, a sound of confidence is the lack of sound. Making intentional breaks will first of all help you emphasize some key words and the core message. Also, it will give your audience some time to process information, create an opinion, or have some own thoughts. And third of all, it will actually give you time to either assess the situation and adapt to your audience, or you have the possibility to think what to say next without having an awkward silence moment. To sum up, there is unfortunately no 1 + 1 = 2 formula how to sound confident. But being aware and able to control your pitch, melody, volume, and the breaks will definitely be of a great advantage for you. Play around with the tips from this video and you will see that your voice is so much more than simply a words generator. Same as a good book, movie, or song, your voice can captivate, sensitize, and generally take your listener on a journey that he or she will never forget. What is your favorite tip from today? Let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click here and here for more communication content. Here to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell button to never miss any of my newest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!